So for today's project, I decided to take this out of that. Quite a few ways to actually do this. At first I started trying to cut through the actual muffler itself and gut the insides of it. Except the steel on this is extremely thick for a muffler. It's pretty ridiculous. And my air tools were not up to the task because of my compressor being rather small. So instead we opted for cutting the pipes off of the muffler and leaving it as it is. With that problem comes the mounts. The mounts themselves are attached to the muffler, so we had to figure out a way to mount the pipes up without the muffler being there. Now, for the materials required, we ended up spending about $40, and it came out with a very nice result. Out of the things you need for this, you need 3 clamps, one for the front, one for the middle, and one for the back, unless you decide to weld them, as you can see there. You needed strapping to go from the old style, well, the old mounts, as you see there's one right there. It comes into focus. Basically, yeah, it goes there, up to the stock point, and there's one on the other side that also goes to the stock point. You can see the strapping there. These were the hardest part of the build in terms of thinking through things, because you had to figure out how much slack you left them and how much it would move it in terms of position. Situation, you can see right there. There's the stock mounting point. It got moved up. Same with the other one. We moved that one up to accommodate the pipe itself. Right there, we had to end up cutting this pipe in the middle here about a 1/4 inch or so shorter to match the muffler. We basically had these two 90-degree pipes on the muffler, and we were trying to basically mimic what the muffler was doing. The pipes themselves are 2.5 outer to inner diameter, so they start from inner on this side, then outer, hooked into an inner, and then the outer at the end hooking into the stock exhaust system. The actual end right over on this side is 2.5 inch outer diameter, so it actually all worked out perfectly. Rev it really quick. No, rev it. There you go. Perfect.